How to manage multiple device cloud storage.
Hey everyone, do you have multiple cameras at home but get confused about which cloud storage plan is for which device? We got you covered.
Rocky, look at my app. I have 3 cameras, but this one shows a red warning on cloud storage. How do I buy it for just this camera?
It's simple, Kevin. The app knows which device you are looking at. Just go to the live view of the camera that needs storage. See the cloud storage icon in the bottom left corner. It might have a red dot. Just tap on it. Now you will see the purchase page specifically for this camera. Just choose the plan you want and follow the payment steps. All done.
Okay, that's easy, but I already have few active plans. How can I tell which subscription is for which camera?
Great question. Go to Me and then tap on to My Package. Here you will see your cloud storage subscriptions. Tap on any one of them to see the details. See this UID number? This is the unique ID for your camera. Now go to Device Settings, Device Info for any camera. And you will find the same UID there. Just match them and you know which package is for which device.
That's clear now. I also see the exact expiry date here. I don't want to manually repurchase every month.
No need to. When you are purchasing, look for the continuous monthly plan or auto-renewal option. This plan will automatically renew before it expires. It saves you time and ensures your camera is always protected without any interruption.
Perfect. That solves all my problems. Thanks, Rocky.
You are welcome, Kevin.
Thank you for watching. Hope this guide helped. Catch you in the next one.